Good morning, everyone. Online team, can you hear me? Just give me quick confirmations, guys. Great. Thank you, team. Excuse me. Can you off this slide, buddy? Just 1 second, team. Check. Please get in. From there, it seems. Check this out. Wait for a second. We'll start, guys. Thank you. Excellent. Let me share this screen. Okay. Okay, guys. So anybody joined for the first time, offline team? You joined for the first time? Second time. Ajay, yesterday you joined. You joined for the first time. Online team, anybody? Okay. So let me tell you, this is a brand new batch, which we started from yesterday onwards. And did you see? First time, sir. Very good. And this is 8:30 a.m. 9th March. Today, the date is 10th. Understand, guys? So just one moment. Today's the date is 10th. I just little bit give a review what we done yesterday, and I maintain one summarization sheet. That means every day what we covered, what are the topics we covered, so that we guys can understand. So that end of the day means 4.5 months. It's for easy to review all the previous topics, and we can mention in the resume part as well, so that we can recall the memory what we learned in existing days. Everybody's clear or not? I guess understand? Okay, let's start. Apology for late because it's a new students are keep login. So I just for few days we'll start by 8:40, and then once everything is finalized, we start by 8:30 and all those things. I request everyone to log in on time. Okay, guys. The first thing, yesterday we started this batch, and the name of the batch is Full Stack Data Science 8:30 a.m. Understand, guys? What is the name of the course? Full Stack Data Science. And yesterday, what are the topics we covered was a little bit introductions of Naresh IT technology, right, guys? And who am I? I just gave you my introductions as well. And we build one small projects. What is AI projects? We build object tracking, how your models, your algorithms track the objects. I hope you guys heard about it. And online team, if the one who stays in Hyderabad, I would recommend to visit offline and attend in front of me, because next week onwards, I will show you how to install the software from the basic. Understand? And if you have any bug, you know what is meant by bug? Bug means error. Okay. Bug means in technical terms, we called as error. In software, debug means what, guys? Fix the error. Understand? Bug means error. Debug means fix the error is called debug. All right, guys. And we discuss little bit roadmap to learn data science. Understand, guys? What exactly I covered, what not, what is the patterns, what I start, I covered this. Which type of learn eligible to learn this course? Students, freshers, expertise, career gap students, managers, CEO, CFO, leaderships programs as well, business analyst as well. We covered this one. Introductions to course syllabus and content. Still, it's pending. All right, guys. Yesterday I showed you, I will give you a scanner so that you can download all the course content and see what are the projects I explain in the 4.5 month. I want you to look at this once again. Understand, team? Now, package module functions. Did we cover it or not? Did we cover it or not, guys? What is meant by package, guys? What is meant by package? Yesterday we collections of modules. And what is modules? Collections of functions. And also I showed some of the students placed as data scientist, Did I show you or not? Along with offers and what is the placement ratio? All those things we discussed. Are you guys understand or not? Okay. Along with WhatsApp screenshot. Clear, guys? And we spend more time on question and answers. A lot of student, can you share the QR code, sir? Definitely. Now, we spend more time on Q&A yesterday's, guys. So today onwards, the one who joined for the first time, I will share today's recording. Understand, guys? And also, I will review a little bit brief about it. If you have more audience, then I will take 5 to 10 minutes of yesterday's class. Everybody's clear now? Online team and offline team, I hope you guys are clear. So today, 10th and day 2, I will mention this at end of the day. But before that, I just want everyone, do you remember, this is my folder and Naresh IT, your morning batch, 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. I create, this is the class notes, means everything's for me, I called a rough notebook. Understand, guys, what I covered, technical points, interview points, all those things I mentioned here. And this is called your summarization sheet. Understand, guys, every day, end of the day, I will mention, we summarize what we discuss in 1.5 hours, all those things we've been mentioned here, guys. Second one is called March month, and I want you to scan this QR code, guys. Everybody. Okay. So where can find recordings? Prasanna, I will share to you. Let me check with my admin today. I will share to you guys, or my admin will reach out to you. Okay. Online team, offline team, I will tell you to whom you guys contact for non-technical questions. Technical questions, I'm here. Non-technical questions, I will share my admin's number. Understand or not, guys? Guys, I would request you to take this photo, and once you scan it, what you get is, let me open this one and go back to the drive. Do you know how to scan or don't know, guys? If you don't know, I will share the link. Full stack data science, 8:30 a.m. Just one moment. Okay, once you scan the file, you will get my drive link. What you get, guys? Drive link. In the drive link, you will see some of the demo contents, which I'll explain, PDFs, and then how exactly the NASCOM certifications looks like, and the course content, what I covered from the day 1 to day 4. Do you want? Yes or not, guys? I want you to scan this file. If not, just copy, and I will share this chart link, drive link here. Now you can click on this link and you can easily access to the drive. So you can't download this one. This is to understand, because in futures, I'll tell you what is data science architectures, what is pipelines, all those things we discuss, so that you can at least see this, all the part, guys. Understand, team? And this is called your course content. I want you to, now, you want to scan it, guys, offline team? Yeah. It's better you take a photo and then you can do it later. Just give me 2 seconds. I'm waiting. Your online team, you can take it down. And also I'll share this class link as well. Did you know how to do this? Clear, guys? Anyway, I'll show this at end as well. No need to worry. Clear, done? Offline team? Online team, are you guys are done or not? Just give me quick confirmations, guys. Okay, thank you. Very good, guys. Okay, it's great. Excuse me, guys. Okay. Now, today, let's move into technical part. I already shared these slides to you guys. The first thing, let me write down. What is the name of the course, guys? Full stack data science. Now, if I open this, can I split the full stack data science is equals to full stack is one sections and data science is another sections, isn't it? Yes or not, guys? So now the full stack, what is meant by full stack? Front end and back end. If you combine two things, that's become a full stack, guys. I mean, back end means, I'll give you an example. When you log into the Meta or Facebook, you enter your login details or not? You entered your login details. That is a front end or back end, guys? That is a front end or back end? Front end. So when you entered, it hit to some of the APIs or not? And the program is written in the back end, which is called machine learning models or AI models, guys. Are you guys understand? So I hope you understand full stack Java developer, full stack .NET developer, full stack developer means what, guys? They will create a back end, they will create a front end to end. Are you guys understand? That's called full stack. So some of the back end, we will build ML models, AI models, NLP models, OpenCV model, all the models we will build, guys. In front end, we'll create website, understand, guys? And we have some of the frameworks called Flask, Django, or we required to deploy these models in HTML, Heroku, and Azure ML Cloud as well. Are you guys understand or not? And I shared the slides to you in the drive. I want you to open the drive and little bit read what exactly mentions over here. Everybody's clear? Yes, offline team? Online guys, I hope you're clear. Again, you have a question, sir, what is ML model? What is AI model? I'll come back all those things. Okay, and also data science. Can we split into data plus science or not, guys? Data science, can we split into data plus science? Now, let me explore today. We talk about this point today's sessions, guys. What is data? Very, very important sections, guys. Shall we discuss, guys? Let minimize. I'll give you small examples, guys. Everybody go for a shoppings or not, like DMart, Big Bazaar, and Reliance. Shoppings you guys enter, and you purchase lot of items or not? Once you purchase the item, you go to the bill-in counter or not? In the bill-in counter, a lady is sitting and he will enter all the details. That means he created a records or not? He created the records or not, guys? That means, can I say the data generates from customers? Am I correct or not? Let's say you purchase some items, dress, and the cost. Now, when you go to the bill-in counter, she will enter row number 1, your customer's name A, you purchase some of the food items and the cost of the food. Are you guys understand or not? Are you paid or not paid? Do you see? And these records are stored in, where exactly these records are stored in, guys? DMart database or not? DMart database, guys, are you understand? So how the records are creates from the customers. Now I'm gonna talk about this one here. This type of records, for example, number, name, gender, address, mobile, office, salary, which items you purchased. Are you guys understand or not? Everybody's clear? Now in Excel, let me write it down. In Excel, we called as sheet. Am I correct or not, guys? In Excel, we called as sheet. And this Excel generates from customer. This Excel generate from customer. And this Excel will stored in the DB database. In the database. Are you guys understand? And in data science terms, we called sheet as data set. What we call, guys? Data set. Understand? From today onwards, entire sessions I will call as data set, data set, data set. That means what means? Sheet. That means what we call, guys? Sheet. For example, if I have a car has how many parts? Steering, wheels, headlights. And can I create a Excel sheets by steering, wheel, headline or not? Can we call the column names, guys? What we called? Column names or not? In column names, in technical terms, we called as attribute. What we called? Attribute, variable, and feature. Everything is same. Understand, team? Now, I just wanted to introduce the technical term of the common which you use on day to day. Now, let me tell you, the managers, leaders, whoever attend the sessions from today onwards, when you attend the meetings, do not say column names, talk about attributes. Now, the sentence would be more highlighting. Are you guys understand or not? Now, everybody's understand what is meant by data set, guys? What's meant by data set? Sheet. Great. And column names we called as attributes. Attributes and features and variable. In data science interview, whenever you attend any interview questions, the interview questions, what is meant by feature engineering? What exactly the concepts, guys? Question? What is meant by feature engineering? I will come back all those things. Now, let me tell you the data which stored in Excel file, CSV file, this type of data we called as structured data. STRUCTURD. What type of data, guys? Structured data. Structured data also we called as supervised learning. Also we called as supervised learning. Also we called as labeled data. Understand, team? Also we called as labeled data. Team 8:30 a.m. batch, what I discussed today when we start this program today, I introduce what's meant by data set. We discuss what is attributes. Are you guys understand? And we discuss what is feature variables. And we introduce to structured data, supervised learning, and label data. Are you guys understand? I'll show you one practical for this. Understand? I'll show you one practical for this. And did you see, is this structured data or not? Is this structured data or not, guys? Structured data? Let me tell you, I'll have one data set. What is meant by data set? Just now I said Excel sheet. Now, do you know IMDb? What is IMDb ratings, guys? I hope you heard about this, guys. IMDb means any movie released in the world that has to be rated by IMDb company, correct or not? This project is live or it will not live, guys? Or do you think IMDb company will shut down by tomorrow or shut down by next year? No, right, guys? Now, IMDb rating. This is the websites. This is the websites which gave rating based on performance, and based on these ratings, actor salary is every time goes hike or not? Team, understand or not? Let's say there is a actor called ABC. Name of the actor is ABC. He released 3 movies and he got 1 star. Now definitely IMDb rating 1 star. So what happened, guys? Next movie there's a less chance or not? Are you getting my point? And here, let's talk about this. I'll have one data set, guys. What is the data set, guys? Let's say in this data set, movie name in IMDb business. Let me tell you, IMDb is the business. This is column name. Can we call attributes or not? How many attributes we have? How many attributes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The movie name is 10,000 BC. The genre means category, comedy, action movie, or drama movie, horror movie, adventure movie. Critics rating is 9 and audience rating is 44. And they spent 105 million. And this movie was released on 2008. Are you guys understand? So this movie, this data sets were created or not? This is structured data or unstructured data? Structured data or unstructured data? Now, I'll give you one Excel sheets. Let's say you're working in organizations. I will tell you the role of data analysis. What is the role of data analysis? Now they will tell you, I need to analyze the data. You need to analyze the data. How do you analyze the data? The analyzed data in Excel is very minimum. Are you guys understand or not? The analyzed data is very minimum. If you go back to the Excel sheet, do you remember in Excel sheets, the data is limited or not? How many rows we have extract the data in Excel, guys? I think 10,48,576 rows only. Let's go back. How many rows we have Excel? I will show you practical 10,48,000 something 576. Excel limit or unlimited, guys? It's a limit or not? In the data set, if you have 1 crore rows, do you think Excel can handle? Do you think Excel can handle? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Not possible, isn't it? Do you understand? Then that's what I'm saying. Data analysis in Excel is limited. Are you guys understand? So that's why we introduced to Python programming. That's why we introduced to Python programming. In introduced to Python programming, there is a package called pandas. What is the package, guys? Pandas, NumPy. I will explain all those things in every day. When you load this package, now let me tell you, I'll go back to the, now can we see a little bit visualizations of the structured data or not? Let's go ahead. And I have my program here, and just one moment. Okay. Now, did you see whatever the data I have in Excel? Where is my Excel file? Just one moment. Just one second. Okay. Did you see we have the data in Excel or not? Yes. Now, same data, let me load to my program. Did you see? Film, genre, ratings, audience rating, year of release or not? Guys, are you getting my point? We have data in my laptop. Now I import that file to my software. Now, did you see everybody watch IPL matches or not? Every over, you will get a visualizations or Excel sheets, guys. You will get a visualizations. In the visualizations, you can understand the patterns, concepts, insights within 2 seconds or not, guys? Am I clear what I'm talking? So that's the power of visualizations part, guys. Now, if you scroll down, I'll show this one. I'll show some of the visualizations. Did you see this, guys? We got some visualizations or not? Online team, I hope understand. Who done this? You cannot plot this visualizations in Excel sheets. It is highly impossible. Are you guys understand or not? This is called, means you analyze the Excel data in visual format using help of Python programming. And let's discuss some of the insight of this data. X-axis, how many X's we have? X-axis, Y-axis or not? Now let's talk about, is this X-axis? Is this Y-axis or not? Now let me talk about this. Let's minimize. I will take 2 Excel sheets. Let's say this is days of the week and price of the petrol. Understand him? Now Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's say Monday petrol is 100 and 150 and 200. Am I correct or not? Now, can I represent to visualizations? Let's plot 2 dimensions graph. Can I store day is x-axis or not? And price of the petrol is which axis, guys? Y-axis. Now let's say this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this would be Wednesday, and the petrol price is 100 and 150 and 200. Am I correct or not, guys? Now let's plot the create data points Monday 100, Can we create the data point here? Can we create the data point or not, guys? Tuesday, the data point is here, 150. And Wednesday, the data point is here. Now, did you see what kind of patterns you find out, guys? Anybody tell me some insights, online team? Raise your hands. I just wanted to ask you. Offline team. See, guys, a company paying you 1,50,000, that means your brain has to be work. Agree? Yeah. Just one moment. Let me unmute you. Jitu, unmute you. Yes, please go ahead. Did you find any insights, Jitu? Unmute you, buddy. Anyone? Yeah. Homeshwar. Ishwar, I just unmute you. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir. I find insight from this graph. There is a linearly increase in the graph. So as the days are increasing, the petrol price are also increasing. Sir.
Very good. Means what is the inside is the days increase, the petrol price is increasing or not? Very good. This is the pattern insights or not, guys? And this insights, we got the linear trend. It's a linear line or not? Which is the? No, this is not passing through origin. Why passing through origin? Because if I don't have any data point called 0, this is called origin. I understand. We not pass through any origins, but we can say this, we got a linear trend. We got the linear trend, means petrol price increasing gradually day by day, gold price increasing gradually, stock market price increasing. Now let's plot the same graph, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, let's say stock increase up to this one, this one, this one. Stock market is rapidly increasing or not, guys? And this concept is called simple linear regressions. What is the name of the concepts, guys? Simple linear regressions. Now, do you remember in school days, we understand equations of line is equal to y equal to mx plus c or not? What is the equations, guys? Y is equal to mx plus c. Now, let me write this business to the equations. What is y, guys? Price. Am I correct or not? Price is equals to m into what is x? Days plus c. Can I fit this business to the equations? Guys, are you understand or not? Online team, are you clear what I'm talking? M is slope and c is constant. Now, very simple. What is constant? I will tell you guys. What is meant by constant? Let's say this would be the constant. Can I clear this one? Okay. Now I'll plot this one, guys. So here, this would be the constant. What is minimum age a kid goes to school, guys? 2.5 years or not? Now this is 0. This is 2.5 years. This is constant, guys. Team, are you getting my point? What is minimum age? What is minimum salary to start the company? Minimum 5,000. So 0 to 5,000 is a constant or not? What is slope? Now the slope is, and we create the average line. Again, I'll come back to that later part. At this moment, I just don't want you to get into more technical. So let's go back. And in this graph, critics rating, audience rating. Let me go back to the Excel sheets. This is critics rating. This is audience rating. Am I correct or not? Now, let's say critics rating 87, 81. Can we plot one data points or not? Somewhere 87 and 81 here or not, guys? So this is 200 data points. And what kind of trend we are getting? Can I say audience rating is more dominant than critics ratings, guys? Now, when the KGF movie is released, first time nobody's went. And after that, based on the audience rating, everybody started to watch the movie or not, guys? So the insight of this graph is, can I say audience rating is more dominant than critics rating? Guys, are you understand or not? And there is a positive correlation between two attributes. What are the two attributes? Attributes means column names, critics rating and audience rating. And now after this plot, you make a PPT, you copy this slides, keep it there and mentions your these inside points and send an email to your managers, team leaders. The team leaders will talk to the client. I mean, the client, this is what the discussion is going on. And that's called client call in organizations. Online team, are you guys are clear? So what you learned today, I will get into more in depth at later part. And today we discuss how to visualize structured data. Online team, are you guys clear? Offline team, are you guys clear? Okay. Now this is called structured data. Now let me go back to the unstructured data. Now let me go to my graph here. Customer data is structured or unstructured, guys? Customer data is structured or unstructured? Structured. Image data. Let's plot one of the data called image data. Image data, let me show you another visualizations. Okay. Now go back to this one. Okay. Now I will explain CV2. Is it structured data or unstructured data, guys? Elephant image, structured data or unstructured data? Unstructured data. This is not the structured data, where we do not have, very good Kuldeep, where we do not have some labels like Excel sheets. You guys understand? This is unstructured data. And now if you can also, I just wanted to show this, guys, just one moment. Just one moment. Okay. This is unstructured data or not? This is my image. This is unstructured data as well. You can also, in upcoming days, you can also load your image as well, guys. Understand? You can also load your image, your family image, whatever it may be. So this is called, what type of data is called, guys? That means unstructured data, how your machines understand the image. All right, guys. So we'll plot this. And the next one, and video data. What is meant by video data, guys? Let's say the video data in the sense, let me talk about, I'll execute this program and I'll tell you what is open CVs and all those things later part. What is BGR to gray? What is images to gray? Let's hold this. Good morning, everyone. So can you see me? So means my packages, my models detecting my face and eye. Are you guys understand? Is it structured data or unstructured data? Structured or unstructured, guys? Definitely this is unstructured data or not? Team, are you understand? But the challenges is, how do you think your machines recognize, how do you think your machine is recognize which exactly your face and what exactly we create your eyes, all those things? We need to apply some of algorithms or not, guys, to detect the bounding boxes. Look at this, guys. If how exactly machines understand, we will create a bounding box. Bounding box in the sense, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Am I correct or not? This is height of an image, this is weight of an image, width, height and width, guys. Now if I combine x plus y plus w plus h, can we create a rectangle or not? Guys, I'm just talking a little bit math about this code. Team, you understand? When I combine x, y, w, h, can we create this? And to detect my eye, all eye is staying in one line or not? Eye is staying in one line or not, guys? And to detect this eye, we have to pass one of the packages, which is called hair cascade classifier. I'll talk to you later. In the demo sessions, I just want you to understand a little bit more depth about what is meant by unstructured and what's meant by structured. I hope you guys understand. Everybody's clear or not, guys? Now, even though this is my image, it detect my face and eye, but backside, let's say another image will come here, guys. Okay. Now it also detect his face and eye. You guys understand why? Because we can find out, we apply another logic called Euclidean distance. Minimum neighbor is 5. How many neighbors, guys? 5. So 5 faces, if you keep it here, you will get your output. It's recognize your face and eye. Now, sir, why are we teaching all these things? Do you remember when you log in your phone's mobile, did you see by look at your phone, what happened, guys? The phone will unlock or not? Guys, are you getting my point? Now, do you think if this is your phone, guys, if somebody will come back and see the phone, do you think the phone will unlock? No. Tim, getting my point? So how the program is math, human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. We've been trained from childhood, our parents teach us, this is eye, this is nose, this is ear, this is head, this is face, isn't it? But now I'm training my machines to recognize this is my face and this is my eyes. And now my model is trained and start acting like a humans. Understand, guys? That's what we called AI projects. And these projects we built using help of some of the packages, and those packages called OpenCV. And I'll tell you, image to array, array to image, lot of things we have. Guys, are you understand what I'm saying or not? Online team, everybody's clear, guys? What exactly? So how the math work in the backend and how exactly all those things. Now, let me stop this one now. Let's clear everything. And to kill this one, I'm going to stop this kernel restart and clear all outputs. Next week, I will tell you all these concepts I'll teach you at last month, because first we need to learn alphabetic A, B, C, D, right? Then we need to learn how to create a words. Then we need to learn how to create a sentence. Then we need to write a paragraph. Then we speak a speech, text, all those things. 8:30 a.m. batch. Are you guys are clear or not? 8:30 a.m. batch. Are you guys are clear? Louder, I'm saying. See, guys, because if you see this, look at the packages of some students which they got. 14 lakhs. They have career gap, 12 LPA, freshers, 5 LPA, 3.90 LPA, data analyst, junior data analyst. No, I'm not saying all these things are, I mentions anything like that. And I have all the proof, guys, as I showed yesterday. 14 LPA. Understand, guys, internships. And Pratyush Jha, he quit this internships. All right. And then 16 LP, which is called Arun. Now, let me talk about business analyst. Now let's minimize. I'll a little bit just desktop. And then feedback placed Arun. Did you see he got 2 offers, appointment letter? Let's open it. Okay, this is the company, guys. Now, if you open anybody's LinkedIn, you will get as the same designations. Understand him, October 3, 2022. He is one of my student and position as business analyst development service. And the cost of the company is 16 lakhs. Guys, is it fake? Did I edit this? Now, I also shared some of the screenshots. Let me show you in WhatsApp. Did you see? Quick call if you're free. Arun, I'll call 10, sorry. Joined this today. Oops. 1 second, guys. Team, are you understand or not? Guys, everybody's clear? Now, there are plenty of students, and you know, this guy is worked in TechM as a call center agent. Now, he migrated his job to BPO call center to data analyst and business analyst. The first package was 4 LPA, then he transited to 12. And let me show you those offers as well. Let's minimize. And where is this guy, Arun? And offer letter. He got 2 companies offer on the same time. See, RRD, and he got as associate manager SDA, and he got a package of somewhere 14, it seems. And I said, wherever high money, just go and work. Very simple. And finally, he selected for that company. Please get in. Team, everybody's clear or not? Now, all those things, we have all of my students, guys. Understand or not? Gulshan, he placed as a Deloitte. Let me show this. Another offer. Sir, I got one offer. I want to discuss you regarding this. Please call after you're free. Good morning, sir. This is Gulson. Horizontal, BCBS. And this BCBS company, do you know how I make his resume? Let me show you guys. 8 lakhs, 4 years career gap. How many years career gap? 4 years career gap. And finally, he made it at senior data analyst. Understand, guys? And look at this resumes and what type of projects you need to mention to get an interview calls. Now, let me discuss a little bit on this one. Okay. And look at this professionals. I mentioned Python, SQL, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Sklearn, NLTK, Specie, TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCV, Anaconda, Jupyter, Spider, GitHub, Flask, all those things. And we covered all the topics. That's why he's a non-technical student, guys. Let me tell you, if you want to talk, I'll call them up. If he's in Hyderabad, I'll call you and meet you as well. Understand him offline, guys. And look at this. And projects risk analysis. What is the projects? I explain him to get an interview calls. Risk analysis. What is the name of the projects, guys? Predict risk factors. Do you think, can you tell which organizations does not have risk? In home also we have risk or not, guys? In bank we have more risk, fraud happens. In social media there are some terrorist activity or not? Risk again. Is a live projects or not? What is meant by capstone projects, guys? Let me write it down here. Just one moment. Only one reason I'm showing all those things, because this is demo. And okay, what is meant by capstone project? The projects which has no depth. Am I clear or not what exactly I'm saying, guys? What is meant by the project has no depth? Risk factor. Do you think death or not? It always, risk factors keep on increasing in banking industry, in healthcare industry, in insurance industry. You take, yeah. So Raghupati Ramana, I will tell you. Okay, let me complete. So Ramana question is, which place is good for data science? Hyderabad or Bangalore? We cannot decide, buddy. But in Hyderabad, there is a limited package till 20. You can opt for it. But in Bangalore, till 1 CR per month, you can opt for it. Asia, biggest IT farm is Bangalore. This is the reality. Understand, Raghupati? Okay. Now let's talk about what happened, guys. Now let's talk about risk factor. Is a live projects or not? Now loan predictions. Now our parents took a loan. I take a loan. My kids also take a loan. Loans are live products or not, guys? So loan predictions is also one of the capstone projects. And when you mention these projects, then only you get a interview call. In colleges, maybe you worked in some of the projects. Try to understand what is the real time. Does the projects used in real time? If yes, then only you get interview call. Are you guys understand or not? Now let's say I will give you Cipla medicine pharma company or not? Pharma company. Now, when you have a fever, you eat Dolo tablet. Which tablet you eat? Dolo normally. When you turn back to the Dolo, did you see some of the compositions or not? Compositions or not, guys? Now, all the compositions, can I say column names? Column names or not, guys? Dolo creations of some of the compositions, I know I don't much the technical terms, medicine terms, but wherever you have Excel sheets, wherever you have, there is a job called business analysis and data analysis. Are you guys understand or not? Tell me which industry does not maintain Excel sheets? Oil and gas, don't you think they don't maintain Excel sheets, guys? Yes. Supply chain, yes. Insurance, banking, pharma. Are you understand? Constructions. That means AI jobs apply everywhere. Yes or not? Guys, are you understand or not? What I'm trying to explain you is, look at this. We visualize today structured data visualizations with these Excel sheets or not, guys? Structured data we called. Now, let me tell you guys, a lot of people might be they won't explain. To become a data scientist, first you need to have a business analysis, guys, and then you want to have a data analyst, then you become a data scientist. Before you play cricket match, do you know the rules and regulations or not? Guys, are you understand? So the rules and regulations you learn from the business, then you explore to the data, then you build a predictive model. Understand, team? I hope everybody's clear or not. So what projects we learned today is visualize structured data. Am I correct or not? And yeah, visualize unstructured data. What type of data? MVR. I'll talk to you guys. Unstructured data, which is called image, video. Are you guys understand or not? Another projects I showed you. Another projects I showed you. Guys, are you understand? Are you understand the sessions? Okay. Now, and we discussed a lot of things about some of the data analysis and business. And now, any questions, guys? Let me go back and I will talk to. Yes, MBR, please go ahead. What's your question? Unmute you.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah, 1 second. Kuldeep, you can visit my LinkedIn. See, buddy, you can visit to my LinkedIn. You get to know Kuldeep. And I will share my yesterday's recording as well. You can follow it. Okay, Kuldeep? See, you can judge a person by way you can speak for 10 minutes. Are you guys understand? Anybody, guys, if you have no that sense, you can understand who is what. In the life, meeting a new persons is a different things, guys. Anyway, yes, please go ahead, MVR. How may I help you?
Sir, sir, good morning, sir.
Please go ahead. I'm hearing. Yeah.
Actually, yesterday I want to ask you, but time is completed.
What time is completed? Oh, okay. Yeah. Please go ahead. That's what I give you access. You can
Okay,
ask
sir.
me your questions. That's what I'm waiting for your question.
I am completed BSc Maths MPC in 2013, sir.
Okay. What you're doing now?
Now I'm in teaching profession, sir.
Okay. How many years?
7 years, sir.
Okay. Now, what is your next questions? How do you
Uh,
turn back to data science, IT?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very simple.
I అంటే one minute, sir.
What you want?
This is correct time or not? I'm choosing data science with Python.
Definitely. See, 7 years back again, there was, I'll tell you, if you create a resume 7 years in your teaching professions, you get a teaching interview only or not? Am I correct or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
When you mentions in your resume 7-year experience, you get a teaching. Now, what exactly I will do? I will change your teaching resumes. I will mention just now.
Okay, sir. Hello. Hello. Sir. Hello. Hello. Hello.
And also great. Yeah, just I'm sorry, guys. Can you hear me? MVR? Actually, the system got turned off, guys. Apology for that. Okay, thank you. MVR, are you there? Yeah, unmute you. I hope you understand. Can you listen me now?
Sir, చెప్పండి sir. Tell me,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So what happened? Where do I stop? I just wanted to say, I will change your resume and I'll say from 5 year, you worked as a data analyst or associate ML engineer, and how to convert to teaching to this one. I need to talk one-on-one regarding this. I cannot speak in everybody. Then few things I need to discuss with one-on-one. I want you to understand that.
Okay, sir.
Clear? MVR.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All right. Now, lower hands. Sonali.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sonali, please go ahead. How may I help you?
Sir, I have completed my MBA in 2020. So I
Okay.
have a gap of 2 years.
Hmm.
So in that year, I have completed prepare for government exam. So
Hmm.
how can I fill that gap for data science?
So we need to apply some of the experience for the 2 years. And there is a two things. First, did you prepare a resume or not? First, we will prepare a fresher resume. We go by genuine way. Understand?
Okay.
So let's see. We'll wait for 1 month. If you not get interview calls, again, we need to cover the 2 years experience, and then you can go for apply as a business analyst, because your stream is MBA, you're most into business analyst. To learn business analyst, you required Excel, SQL, and Tableau, and all those things we covered in this program. And then also I'll tell you some of the use cases. You talk same use cases to the interviews and you get selected. Am I clear, Sonali? And how
But
to do
sir,
these things, I said one-on-one. Are you understand or not?
yes, sir, I understand.
And
But
also
right
to
now, I don't have any knowledge about codings. I don't have
see,
any knowledge about.
that's why we need to learn. We learned entire first class 2+2, right? How many year we spent? We spent 18 years to learn schooling, college or not? And we gain the knowledge. Am I correct, Sonali? Now
Yes, sir.
you're learning 4 months to gain the knowledge. How to gain the knowledge? Listen my classes. I'll give you some task, practice, and tomorrow you update me. That is what learning. That's what we need, gain the knowledge. Am I correct, Sonali? I hope you understand. Thank you. Abraham Sheikh, unmute you. How may I help you?
Sir,
Sure.
how many hours we need to dedicate for this daily?
See, buddy, 5 fingers are not equal. Am I correct or not? One person can understand the concepts in 5 minutes. Another person can understand the concepts in 50 minutes. Another one is 60 minutes. It all depends on you. So if you listen my class, every minute, if you listen in proper carefully, you required only 30 minutes every day. Understand or not? To practice the code, might be it will take 1 hour, might be it will take 50 minutes. But if you're working professional, Saturday and Sunday, I think you have a holiday. And I don't take sessions Saturday and Sunday, because I'll give a lot of assignments. You're going to work on the assignments, and you have dedicated mentors for that. It depends on you, buddy. Sheikh, I hope you getting my point. Unmute you.
Yeah, sir. Yeah,
Thank
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. And I will tell you, guys, if you want to enroll, I trust you should trust you and trust my words as well, and offers which I showed you. Offline team, any non-technical questions, non-technical question, you can reach out to Mr. Wali, offline team. Understand or not? And I will share his number as well by Monday. Online team, any non-technical questions, you can reach out to Rajeshwari ma'am. Understand? I will mention everything's okay. She will take care of your enrollment process, any issues, okay, login, link, all those things, guys. Understand, team? Class notes, technical questions, take care by me. Technical questions, take care by me. Still, while you practice the code, if you face any issues, we have lab mentor. I will share their contact number. I will share their Zoom link for online team. You can anytime you can connect them. Any issues, feel free to reach out to me. Yes, maybe sometimes it will late, but no need to angry on anyone. Just be patient, just calm down, and we can connect. This is the way. Everybody's clear or not? I will come back to this one. But in the meantime, I just want to talk about to scan it, guys. The one who not scan. Yeah. Sheikh, unmute you. I hope any more questions. I hope you're clear, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you, sir.
look at some of the placed students which we create we gave a warm welcome to some of the students who placed as a data scientist, and all are my students. Look at this. Meghra's 14 LPA, the company called Seal. Parul, she was expert at data analyst in Excel sheets. Now she learned this program under me and she cracked 14 LPA. I mean, Naresh IT, congratulate to them. Avinash, senior data scientist, the package is 8.5 LPA. And the name of the company is Process Maker. Izhard Sami, so he placed as Allies Blue Financial Private Limited as data scientist. Now Gulson, just now I show his profile or not? Guys, are you getting my point? Just now I showed. And he placed it senior data analyst at Horizon. And Sumit Singh Chauhan, 8 years career gap, and Viz Club, his package is 8 LPA. And all the students, guys, yeah, linear algebra. I told you, Prasanna, I told you already linear just now. Again, you want me to remind again? Did you see all of the students, linear algebra? Now, what is meant by linear algebra? As I said right now, I'll explain some concepts or not. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So we got some math equations, guys, or not? Y is equal to mx plus c. So this is linear line or non-linear line? Linear line or non-linear line? Linear line. What is x to the power degree? What is x to the power degree? Y equal to mx plus c. What is x to the power degree? 1 or not? Now my question, if I change x square, can I get linear line? If I change to x square, can I get linear line? Online team, yes or no? We get a little bit like this. If I change x cube, are we guys understand or not? So we have a concepts called linear algorithms, non-linear algorithms, guys. Are you understand? What is the name of the concepts, guys? Linear algorithms, non-linear algorithms. Linear means straight line. Non-linear means not a straight line. Prasanna, I hope you understand. Yes, look at this, guys. Arun Bhusani, some 16 LPS, 17 LPS, Jahir. But MVR, he's an assistant professor, this person. And he's worked as some agricultural in PhD. And he was my pilot batch student. Still, I have connections with this guy. And he changed 2 companies and now he's getting a 17 LPA. Once you enroll the program, Mr. MVR, you can talk to me as well. And if you want to talk to this type of expertise, I will also refer to them. You can connect with them as well so that you get some experience. And all these are freshers, Anil data scientist, HGS. And then there is a program called Kandin software, TCS Santosh 3.5, Ganesh 2 lakhs. I mean, some of the students who got placed under the programs, and everybody's placed only Prakash Senapathi batch students, guys. Am I clear or not? Very less institute have guts to open WhatsApp, show you all these things, guys. I want you to understand this. So that changes their career. It's your turn. And now your batch is there. I want you to see your face in this placement list. Will you show me this or not? Are you guys getting my point? What I'm trying to say? Right. Now, let me see. I think online team don't want. Anyway, sir, it is a demo. IT engineer, what role I can apply? Prasanna, you are a leader. So to leader, you expected a data architectures and cloud architectures, VP, AVP, product head, these things you need to reach out. And to talk to the client on those levels, you must need to have some technical exposures. When you speak, 10 people has to be listens your sentence and words. That's why we call as a leaders, guys. Are you understand or not? Prasanna, I hope, am I clear? So where we need to enrolled. I want you to, yeah, I will share the number on Monday. I will talk to them, or maybe you will get a call from my admin. Okay, the one who enrolled, and there you can find out. Okay, Lakshmi, Prasanna and Prasanna both. Great. Lower hands. Ahmed, unmute you. Santosh, unmute you. And Sashi, unmute you. Uday, unmute you. And Desmukh, unmute you. Please go ahead. What's your questions? One by one.
Hi, sir. Hi,
Yeah.
sir. Good morning. Shashidhar here.
Sashidhar, please go ahead. How may I help you?
Yeah, actually, I'm working in MVC company with 10 years of experience
As a
as an associate only with package of 6+ lakhs.
6+.
So, yeah,
Only 6?
the 6 lakhs package.
Okay.
I mean, 6 to 7 in between.
No problem. No problem. Okay.
So I want to grow in my career like in the Python or data science, please. So
Okay.
which one will be the better for me, sir?
See, let
And
me
I'm from a non-IT background with a BCom graduate.
definitely, Sashidhar, what I wanted to do, first, I will teach Python from basic. Understand? And my
Okay.
question, if you every day, I will give lot of work. In the demo sessions only you get to know. And once you enroll this course, what happened? First, I'll teach you Python. I will daily assignment. I will give it to you. You start working. And this is March, April, May, first week, I'll give you one resume. Understand? And 10 years, I will change. You don't need to change anything. You have a company name. You say that in company, you're working as a data analyst or ML engineer. What engineer, guys? ML engineer, machine learning, or associate data scientist or junior data scientist. Once you mention, if you update in Naukri and LinkedIn, you get a data science interview calls or not? Guys, are you understand? Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sashidhar. Once you get
Yes,
data
sir.
science interview call, I know that when you attend for the first time, 10 times you will fail. You have to fail, isn't it, guys? I'm not expecting that. See, when a kid walk, first he will fell down and then he walk, isn't it? The same way, 10 times you fail, flung the rounds, 20 times you flung the round, 30 times you clear first round. That would be your success. Understand? And by the time, if you attend 40, by the time you get offers, very simple, Sashidhar. Very simple.
Yes, sir.
The strategy is learning, practicing, updating resumes, get the offers. 4 strategies. Sashidhar, I hope
Okay.
you're clear and you agree with me, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, please, Santosh, go ahead, unmute you. Uday and Deshmukh.
Hi, sir. Uday here.
Please, Uday, go ahead.
These days, I'm frequently listening about cloud data engineer concepts. I mean, like everyone is like kind of teaching this content. What do you advise us? Like, I had 8 years of work experience I was into risk management. From past 5 years, I didn't work due to personal reasons.
Okay.
Now again, I want to get back into corporate life. I was just looking for some courses. Even I came across this Azure data engineer term as well. So I was kind of confused whether to go for Azure data engineer or to get into data science, like becoming a data analyst or something like that.
So I want you to choose data science plus Azure
Data engineer.
both.
Okay.
So I mean, I can say veg plus non-veg.
Okay, got it.
Isn't it? The one
Right.
who eat non-veg, if you give some of the starters, they can eat or not. I
True.
would say for you 15 years or 10 years, if you learn both, your package will impact.
Okay.
This is what we want. Am I correct or not?
Right.
So I would highly recommend you to go back to this. I am here, buddy. No need to worry. I will take care of it. Trust me.
Okay.
See, lot of my people, they can also managers. Now they talk to the client. When they talk to the client, there's a lot of concepts when I teach about text pre-processing, text mining. They listen my class, they will present on their meetings. They got increasement. I mean, the attentions of their speak is more powerful than others. Do you know?
Got it.
I hope you understand, right?
Yeah.
I hope.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
No, so if we go with this, the combination of both data science and Azure, I mean, any cloud data
No, I will
engineering.
tell you one thing. First, you learn this course.
Okay.
Only concentrations on this.
Okay.
Prepare
Okay.
a resume.
Okay.
Get into the job first. Let's
Okay.
financial flow comes. Then I will teach you what is the next step. Because
Okay.
in these sessions, I will cover Azure ML.
Got
We
it. Got it.
deploy ML models in the Azure cloud. Next week, I'll show you what are the software I will teach you with the practical.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prakash.
Thank you, Dave. Yeah. Yeah. Anyone else, guys? I'll unmute you.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Yeah, Deshmukh,
Deshmukh here.
please go
Yep.
ahead.
Yes, sir. So I'm actually, I was working as a manager,
Very
business
good.
development manager in a Byju's.
Mhm.
And actually, I have completed my BSc Statistics honors.
Okay.
So after that, I started working into sales
Very good.
because I was getting a good package. And currently, I'm handling a team of 19 associates.
Mm.
And I'm having a good experience in communication skills and team building and everything.
Mm.
My question is, and one more thing, sir. So
Yep.
while working, I was actually learning SQL and Power BI
Mm.
by my own, my self
Very
study.
good. Excellent. Excellent.
Yes, and I actually build 2-3 projects also in SQL.
Mm.
So I was having the interest in data science was actually increasing day by day.
Very
So
good.
my question is, after completing this course
Mm.
into data science, so
Mm.
my previous experience and my package, because I'm earning 16 lakhs of package in
Mm.
hand. So it will be helpful for me for my further
In
increasing.
IT, 16 lakhs is less. I mean,
Yes,
the
sir.
one who had 4-year experience, they are getting 16 LPA. First thing. Okay.
Right, sir.
Second thing, first we create a profile, a resume, with as a lead business analyst. What is the profile we create? Lead
Lead
business
business.
analyst in Byju. Byju
Right,
is not a farm. It's just a tech platform.
right,
Now, I want you need to step from non-technical to tech corporate industries. Now, to tech corporate industry, whatever you're learning, that is 200% would help you to resume building. Understand? And
right.
in that learning, I will teach ML. And if you enroll the class, you understand business well as well, and little bit technical terms. And I'll give you some of the live projects which we worked in the company. And that when you combine both, you will get an excellent call, and you can transit to 30 LPA if you expected all about. I'm not tell you all the stories because I see the students, the one who got placed under me, and I discuss them.
Yes,
That's what I'm saying, guys.
yes, sir. And so
You
my last question is,
please.
uh, yes. So is it online is beneficial to attending this course online or offline? Which is better, sir?
Are you in
Because
Hyderabad?
I'm not. No, sir.
Then how do you attend offline then?
Because actually I'm staying in Nanded, so it's a
So just
three and a
continue
half
with
hours
online.
journey for
See,
me.
continue, but only one problem. See, I will deliver my content with 200% dedications, and I respect the teachings because I make a lot of people career. Understand? But I have doubt on you stating,
Right.
will you stay on study every day? That is the problem. That is the challenges. You ask
Yes,
yourself,
sir.
if you spend at least 1 hour every day, then it's done, buddy. I will give you resume by May month and apply. If you not get interview call, I will give my phone number. I will call you in weekends because Saturday and Sunday, every week 2 hours I dedicated to my students who enroll the programs, guys. Because when you pay and trust me and listen to the class, it's my responsibility is to touch bases, guys, on the week. Are you clear? What's your name? I think Santosh? Uday, to whom I spoke is right now. Can you listening me? Strange. Deshmukh, yeah. Deshmukh, are you understand or not now? I'll unmute you.
So sorry, sir. Can you please come again, sir? Can you repeat
No, what
the
I'm
answer?
saying, what I'm
Yes.
saying, will you spend every day at least 1 hour and attend the sessions regularly? Do not miss any single session. Then all those things is possible, whatever I said.
Sir, I can. I will put my 100% effort, sir.
Then that's fine.
Without.
Then no need to worry. I get to know.
Okay.
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 Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Okay. Santosh, you have any questions?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please go ahead quick, guys.
Sir, I did my graduation in 2008, sir. BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application. Then
Okay.
after I worked in a sales platform, means in financial sales background.
Hmm.
So it's like a non-IT experience I have. Now I am 37 age and I recently I got married. And then currently I have a cyber cafe shop, means I own my computer shop.
Okay. Very good.
I'm looking for a IT job.
Hmm.
So I'm confused whether I will get a chance, means against the fresh pass out student.
No, no. The first fact thing is you will be not any more freshers. If you apply as a fresher resume, you never ever get interview call. First thing. Second thing is age doesn't matters in IT farm. Does not matter in IT farm. Okay, and the third is do you know in data science we have a concept called sales predictions? Understand, guys? What is the name of the projects, guys? Sales predictions using time series. There is an algorithms called time series. Now for you need to mention 4-year experience in IT, and then you create a profile and you attend the interview. This is what the right possible for you. Santosh, are you understand? And about that, how to get 4 years, I need to talk one-on-one.
Okay, so I'm looking for offline batch because my English is also weak. So
No, see, I'll tell you guys, who told you IT farm required? The one who painted the house. Do you think he required English language, guys? The one who construct the buildings, do you think the English language required? Technical, you're not working as a BPO call centers. In IT, your brain has to think and fingers have to deploy and get the output. Are you understand? Code has to speak. Your mouth shouldn't speak. Am I correct or not? Code has to speak and you need to speak little English, and that you have. Santosh, are you clear or not what I'm saying?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Now you satisfied? Two
Means
things.
I have chance to get in IT after this age gap and 2008 pass out.
Definitely, guys. You go to interview, you can speak the way, sir, I have 37 years career gap. If you say like that, then only they don't take you. Are you getting me? See, everything depends on the way you speak to others. That's very, very powerful. If you go to the doctor, do you think by look at your doctor said where exactly the problem? No, right? You have to say. Now it's all depends on you, the presentations. That's what I need to talk to you, all those things. And that's what the session is designed, guys. Santosh Kumar, I hope you understand or not.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Bharat, I would preferably attend offline rather than online. The reason why, if you guys stay in online, your mom will call me, can you bring sugar? Can you bring salt? Guys, are you understand? When important topics, some guests are coming, okay, you mute it, go and run and come back. See, I see a lot of things happen. That's the reality I just wanted to share. Bharat, are you understand or not what I'm trying to say? Now, I highly appreciate, come to offline, lab is there, go, you can meet me directly. I'll push you a lot. I will talk to you in live, and that would be an excellent. Bharat, are you clear or not? Great. Rafi, unmute you. Rafi, unmute you.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Hello, sir. Yeah, this is Rafi here. So I have 10 plus years of experience in Oracle DBA.
Very good.
Working in Malaysia. So
Very good.
I just want to transform my technology to data science, but
Okay.
I'm getting confused. So which domain I need to go? Because I heard about data engineer, data mining, data analyst,
Very good.
data science. So and which I don't know which
No, Oracle DBA. Are you database administrator or means?
database application and database
Okay.
as
Which
well.
tool you're using?
EBS. We are
Okay.
using
Okay.
EBS,
Understand.
and also
And now, will you create any deployment like front end, back end? Like, have you learned all those things before in Oracle platforms?
no, I'm into only the purely
I
into the
see.
administration.
I'll tell you one idea. I want you to choose this one, choose this course. First point. Second point is whatever you shouldn't at DBA. You said I started my career as DBA, and then we got a POC client. There are some emergency requirement. I was certified at the time and come back to this POC. I hope you're aware of this, right, Rafi? Proof of concepts.
All right.
And once you prepare resume, and that's where the transition is possible, whether IJP internally or out of the company as well, company to company as well. Understand, Rafi? And it's all depends on the resume is very powerful for each and everything, guys. So how to prepare resume? I will give you some of the experience profile, the one who done DBA profile I have, because I do take a lot of interviews for different countries, employees, people as well. So I stored some of the resumes relevant to profile. And then guys, listen, you want to leave? No, right? Okay. Understand. And then this is the way the transition is possible. Clear, Rafi? I hope you agree with me.
Yes. So I just want to get clarification. So which like domain is suitable, like data science, data analyst, or data engineer, or data mining?
See, let me tell you, everything's born from data, right?
Okay.
And the data, whether it is structured or unstructured, but data engineers, the softwares are different. Data science, the software different. Now, in the world, there are three things always be evergreen: data engineer, data science, cloud, understand, and visualizations, BI. Now, I want you to stay your concepts, your future learning into this one. Now, I would recommend, I'm also covering some of the data engineering concepts and data science. This would be an excellent combine all those things. And you learned a lot of things. In 2 days, did you learn something, Rafi?
Yes, I learned many things.
Lot of things, right?
Lot of.
Just 2 days, you learned a lot of things. In 1 month, do you understand how much learned you will gain practically and real time as well? Understand, Rafi?
Right. I agree.
Thank you. So I want you to connect with this only. And then next step, I'll guide you.
Okay, sure.
Thank you. So Shiloh, unmute you. See, guys, rest of them, I will talk to you tomorrow. Like Vidya, Joseph, Paul, and Nayak, and Ahmed, Raju, Shailaja. I'm sorry for it's time up. Yeah, Shiloh, please.
Yes, sir. Hello, Shalu here.
Please.
Sir, I have done my BTech in civil engineering and also my master's in civil. So I have done my master's in 2021. So there is a 1.5 year gap.
No, see, 1 year gap, that doesn't require experience. You're a fresher, right, guys?
Yes.
You say after complete my masters, there was COVID, there was no projects was pipeline due to the COVID and the recession was going on. Now I'm applying. And you say that I was down with COVID at 2021. I was sick for 6 months to 8 months. You make some stories.
Okay,
see, in
sir.
interview, nobody asks which background you comes from. Are you staying in villa? Are you staying in duplex house? Are you staying in big colleges, guys? Very simple. Talk confidently, talk louder, talk practical, done. Am I correct or not? This is what possible, guys. Trust me, trust my words, what I'm saying. Because at the online, there are a lot of experienced people are there. They can know, they smell it, what I'm saying. Everybody's clear or not? Okay, great.
So, sir, what will be the roadmap for for me? Like I'm coming from a civil background, so how
See,
can I
let me
explain
tell
it?
you, in the interview, do not say, sir, I'm coming from civil background. Very simple. You just say, I'm certified data scientist from NASCOM certifications. Clear? From
Yes.
Naresh IT. And You explain the projects. This is what I done. This is the backend I create. This is the model I build. Now, next step they'll ask, you can acknowledge them. Understand, Shailu?
Some design lab behind the video.
Who's this?
I know you want to better.
Great. Okay. And the next step is, okay, I think, okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow, guys. Kuldeep, unmute you. Yeah, I think you have some questions. Yeah, please go ahead. How may I help you? Guys, talk to you tomorrow. I apology for the one who does not. We speak, no problem. Vidya and Joseph, Paul and Nayak. And I'm sorry, guys, which time up we can talk to tomorrow. Rohit, yes, guys? Apology for that. 6 months experience. Okay, Yamini, wait, I'll talk to you as well. Okay, Kuldeep, I unmute you, buddy. You want to talk to me?
Yeah. Hi, Prakash. Good morning.
Good morning.
Actually, I'll prefer a one-to-one discussion if you are fine. I am interested to enroll in this course. That's fine, but yeah, I have some specific requirements. So we'll prefer one-to-one discussion, please.
No, you can talk to me here. Is there any personal? Then
right, but before that, I mean, the general question I already asked you in chat, like with
and
that kind of.
I acknowledge to that, isn't it? Did I acknowledge to that? Okay, now I want you to select my LinkedIn profile. I'll send it to you. Now let's copy.
No, sorry, it was not regarding that. I after in last, so I have DevOps, Python, shell scripting background.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah, so
see, guys, one moment, Kuldeep, I'm sorry. See, guys, 101. I will give you access. Everybody's professionals. Yes, Rohit. And there is, it's the questions, only one question some of them ask. The question is, transition is possible. I said yes. Based on the resume, transition is possible. Yes, Rohit, I will talk to you as well. Yes, Kuldeep, I'm sorry. Yes, please go ahead.
So I was asking with that background, and if I go for this course, so overall, how I should look for the scope?
Very good. So how many year experience you have?
13.
13. Now I'll tell you, I create a profile as you started working as IT in DevOps and Python and shell scripting, isn't it? And from last 10 years, I was working into this. And from last 3 years, I'm working as a junior data scientist. And you're working as a projects called ML. In 3 years, you can mention 4 projects. Kuldeep. The first one is ML projects in banking domain. And then the second one is NLP projects. And the third one is deep learning projects end to end. And you can present it. I'm sure you get a tons of call. If you're not, then I'll give my number. You can talk to me. Kuldeep, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Kuldeep, unmute you.
Yeah, sorry, I was not able to unmute myself.
No problem.
I got that. Yeah, if you can please share your number, that will be a big help. And
not right now, but I promise you, because this session is recorded, right? And 10 years, 13 years, nobody mentioned in IT, because you cannot work the business for 13 years if you mentioned in the resume profile. So we make 3.5 years into as a data scientist, and then in 3.5 years we make it as 4 projects into completely AI. And then this is where 13 years we covered, and we can say relevant experience as data science from last 3 years. Are you convinced, or still you have any more question?
No, this is fine.
Great.
Thanks.
And how to create this profile? I will share some of the experience resume after 1 month. And if you want, still, I'll share a few things. We'll talk. It's not a big deal. Okay, Kuldeep? Great. So share me PDF course content. Guys, I want you to scan this, guys. Did you scan this? Once you scan it, all the course content is loaded here. Definitely, Bharat. Venkatesh, Joseph, I'm a university with no tech job experience. After the course, is there a chance to? Why not, Joseph? 200% yes. 200% yes, because a lot of students from India, they fly into US, UK, and they learned it and they not understand over there, and they learned here and then apply resumes, because I'll teach you how to apply resumes and update in the profile. And there are a lot of websites I will share, and that's the way you can get into the tech jobs. Thank you so much for attending today's sessions. I hope next session is Monday, guys. Or data science, which one is better to learn? Two. If I take a coin, head is data science, tail is data engineer, cloud data engineer. Venkatesh, are you understand or not? So both are relevant with each other. First you learn data science, then we go and learn data engineer. Venkatesh, I hope you clear. I completely my, okay, sir, thanks. I completed my 2000. I don't know about coding. As a fresher, it's better to course, and I have, buddy, definitely God creates Python for non-technical students. Understand this. Are you guys clear, Bhavani Shankar? So 200% yes, that's what you need to opt this course to learn it. And communications does not require just to speak. That's good enough. Just talk to me every day and your skills will improve. Trust me, guys. RPA, very good. Robotics process automations. I mean, Blue Prism or automations AI, something is there. Show any resume for data analyst as a freshers. Nitish, tomorrow I will show you. Understand? Tomorrow I'll sorry. RPA requires AI, ML, NLP. No. RPA does not require, but data science required AI, ML, NLP. RPA cannot handle big data, but these tools can handle big data. Sonika Singh, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Sonika, can we talk on Monday? Just one moment. Okay. Yeah, unmute you guys. Okay, Sonika, unmute you.
Hi, sir. So basically, sir, I have 10 years of experience and working as an RPA manager. Now, RPA field also requires AI, ML, and NLP. So for that, I have enrolled into this course.
Excellent.
But at the same time, so I also need good Python knowledge. So RPA coding can be done. So just wanted to understand if the Python included in this course will be enough, or should I also enroll for a full-fledged Python course?
No, see, I'll tell you, Python, there is no Python is connecting with data science and cloud and each and everywhere, Django, Flask, everywhere the Python, even the to build chart GPT applications, we require Python code. Understand, Sonika Singh? Now, in Python is required for each and everything. Now, entire data science projects we can build in Python as well. Now, if you I'm sorry, are you getting me what I'm saying? Or still you have any more question? Let's yes, unmute you. Okay.
Yes, sir, I am understanding. So basically, for RPA coding, also the Python code, this Python code would be enough, right? I do not have to go.
No, because once you enroll this course, we specially 2 times Python again we provide you freely. When you when you enroll this course, Python once 2 times we provide freely. Understand?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Skills and join to company will be more and make sense, right? Perfect. Yes, Bharat. Definitely. If you don't know how to play cricket, if you have a bat and you go international matches, will you play? You will die, isn't it, guys? The same way, learn the skills, practice, and go and get into. Talk to you on Monday. Happy weekends. And so yeah, data algorithms and data structures up to which level? See, Venkatesh, if you attend, sklearn is data structures, data algorithms is combined with the package. Remind me these questions on Monday. I will get back to you. Venkatesh, are you clear? I will give in more depth concepts about this. Great, sir. This changed my thinking. Definitely. Now, there's 2 things, guys. Your mom prepared roti or not? That is data structures algorithms. You go to DMart and artificial rotis are there. You can bring it and make it and eat. Guys, are you understand? So we have some of the packages, that packages already loaded this DI and algorithms, guys. So no need to write this, just call the package from import sklearn package. That's it. The scikit-learn algorithms combines data structures, linear algebra, calculus, all those things. I'll talk more about on Monday. Thank you, Bharat. Okay, and happy weekend. We'll connect on Monday. These 2 days, write down all the questions and we can discuss, guys. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.